Jump ball. Jump ball number 30, tapos 5. Ano, number 28, passing to number loose ball. DC ball.
Matagal-tagal makapaglaro si Rubio.
Number 20. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 7. Shot, no good. Rebound by number 28. Passing to number 5. Binalik. Yes, easy to lay up. 2 points, 28. And now number 13, 3-point area, no good. Binalik. Number 13 again, no good. Rebound. Number 4, passing to number 28. Passing to number 5. No good. Number 20. Still number 4. Still. Number 20. Intercept number 5. Number 4 passing to 28. Passing to number 4. Number 5 shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Passing to number 7. Intercept number 25. 28. Passing to number 14. In a shot. No good. Rebound number 5. In a shot. No good again. Follow up. No good again. Foul. Game ball.
Lakas ang team nyo, boss pa ba? Jamba.
Ano, number 27. Yes. 2 point. Foul. First free throw. No good. Second free throw, ready jumper. No good again. And now, number 28. And a jump. No good. Rebound number 7. Passing to number 20. Passing to number 7. Binalik. Number 7. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 20. In the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by number 27. Good. Ano, number 27 at 28. Passing, binalik. Yes, 2 points. Score po natin, 6-0. Ano, number 7. Jump. Uy. Foul. Yes, 1 point.
Pili ka ko! Pili ka ko!
Ready jumper.
Yeah.
No good. Ano, number 28. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 5. Shot. Yes, 2 point. Oh, number 7. Passing to number 10. Yes. 2 point, number 20. Number 20. No good. Number 20. Passing to number 7. Binalik. Passing to number still. Number 5. Passing to number 14. Number 28. Jump. Yes. Easy shot. Number 20. And a shot. Yes, 2 points. And now, number... Uy! Yes, very good shot. 2 points. Number 4, 2 points. Walang aton. Uy. Score, 12-5. And now, number 5. And the shot. No good. Rebound natin. Pinulak. Yes, counted.
Kaya nga eh.
Number
Problem ng
3.
DC.
23 foul. Free throw. 2 fouls. Number 23. Ready jumper. First foul pa lang daw yan. Yes, perfect. 3 points. Ayan ang number 20. Passing to number 13. Yes! 3 point. Counted foul. Number 28 foul. Another bonus 1 point. 1 free throw. 28 foul. Ready jumper. No good. Repeating. Passing to number 27. Passing to 14. In the 3-point area. Yes. 3 point. Number 14. Foul. Warning for penalty. Number 20. And all the way. Yes, 2 point. Number 20. Number 20. And a jump. No good. Number 7. Passing to number 20. Number 20. Right. No good. First free throw.
To. Priya. Erickson daw, Erickson.
Ready jumper.
Babalik kanina tama niya, no?
Chi. Boss
Ano naman?
Chi, ikaw daw.
Pasok, Richie.
Okay na yan?
Okay na to, makakakuha ko na.
And now, number 56. In a 3-point, no good. Rebound by number 17. Passing to number 23. Number 23 all the way. Maun. Uy, galing sa labas. Apa? Foul. Number 23. Second personal foul. Number 23. 13 foul. Number 10. Passing to number 9. Passing to number 3. Passing to number 56. Passing to number 9. Passing to number 56 in the 3-point area. Yes! 3 point!
Boss, Perry!
Score 21-11. Wake up, DC. And now, number 17. Guarded by 56. In a 3-point area. Yes! 3 points!
Sagad na.
Number 17.
Wait, sagad.
And now, number 9. Passing to number 3. Number 3 passing to number 9. Passing to number 56 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound number 10. Yes. Easy too late. 2 points, number 10. Number 17. Number 6 in the 3-point area. No good. Passing to number 9. Passing to number 56. Number 56, number ibinalik. Passing to number 3. Number 3 to number 10. Na jump. Yes. Easy to 2 points. Okay.
Na.
Now number 17. All the way. Okay. Now number 23. Black. Number 56. Passing to number 10. Number 10. Jump. Yes. Time out. DC. And now number 17. All the way. Symbol. 14 seconds sa block. Number 23. Hey. Symbol. No good. Rebound number 10. Passing to number 30.
Nice, Beck!
2 points, number 30.
Richie.
Number 3. Passing to number 9. Number 3. In the 3-point area, no good. Rebound by number 30. Passing to number 17. 17 passing. Yes! Easy shot. Number 6. Number 9, passing to number 3. Uy, intercept by number 30. Passing to number 17. Dribbling the ball. And the shot. No good. Rebound by number 3. Passing to number 25. Passing to number 56 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound number 26. Itinira, yes. Left hand. 2 points. Now, number 30. Passing to number 6. Ibinalik sa number 17.
5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds to shoot. And shot. No good. Uy. Same ball. Ball.
Gimbal.
2 seconds. Number 6. And a shot. No good.
Good, good.
Number 30 rebound. Passing number 21. Yes, easy. 2 points. Number 81. Number 26. Uy. Rebound number 56. Passing to number 9. In assist. Intercept by number 30. Passing to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 all the way. Ay, no good. Rebound by number 56. Number 10. Number 10 all the way. Yes. Easy shot. Score 31-20. 11th point. Lead. Uy. Good shot. 56. All the way. Yes. 2 points.
Sintas, sintas, oh. Sintas mo,
Number
sintas
6.
mo.
Number 6. Passing. Uy. Intercept by number 9.
10
Passing to
seconds.
number 3. Passing to intercept by number 30. Passing to number 23. And a jump. Yes, 2 point. Number 23. And now, in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound number 5. Number 27, passing number 7. Passing to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 28. Passing to number 7. Number 7, shot. Yes, boarding. 2 points. And now, number 20. Number 20, all the way. Yes, 2 points. Number 27, 28. Passing to number, oy, that's touch. Jump, yes, 2 point.
Laking bagay din pala dito, no?
27, 2 points.
Rebounding tsaka defense.
Number 3. A shot, no good. Passing to number, intercept by number 81. Good. Number 28. Passing to number 5. That's number 27. Number 7. Number 7. Uy, that's foul. Number 7 foul.
Cartuse! Wala ka agad, ha?
The 3-point area. No good. Number 7 rebound. Passing to number 28. Number 28. Intercept by number 7. Passing to number 81. Passing to number 23. In a fake. Oh, no good. First free throw.
Bayaran mo na ako.
Yes, 1 point. Second free throw. Ready jumper.
Ano po, para mga
Yes, 2 point.
500 din.
Number 28.
10,000 ang usapan natin.
Dribbling the ball. Passing to number, number 30. Number 23. Passing to number 7. Passing to number, in a jump. Yes, 2 point. Nice assist. Intercept by number 20. No good. Intercept. Uy,
Galing sakto.
loose ball. 3-point area. Yes, 3 point.
Ano, nakatayo kayo lang daw, walang mahanap ng bantay.
Sabi na. Gulo pa start din.
Yan yan.
Tapos dito.
Number 13. Number 28 in a jump. No good. Rebound number 7 in a jump. Yes, 2 point number 7. Number 23 in a jump. No good. Rebound number 7. Passing to number 27. Oy!
Traveling.
Traveling.
Hindi. Kabiling.
And now number 7 intercept by number 28. Uy!
Good.
Number 7. Itinera no good. Rebound number 7. Rebound by number 20.
Corner teammate.
Number 20
Hindi niya
all the
nakita
way is 2 points.
Lalo ng John GC. Gadan.
Number 28.
Canaria.
Passing to number 7. Ibinalik. In a jump. Yes. Easy 2 lane. Easy 2. (41-33). And now, number 20. Uy. Foul. Number 7. Third personal foul. 13 foul. First free throw, no good. Second free throw, ready, jumper.
Boss, pulado ka agad ah. Aga pa. Mamalakas yan ah.
Yes, easy one. Number 5.
Tama, puro mali.
And now number 7. Passing to number
Tama, puro mali.
2. Passing to number 7. In the jump. No good. Rebound by number 7. Uy.
Talsik yung buti nga binalik.
Foul. Number. And now number 5. Itinira. No good. Number 7. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. All the way. Yes, 2 points. And now number 27, passing to number 7. Number 7, itinira. Yes, easy tulo. Easy tuloy siya. And now number 7. Passing to number 23. Binalik. Number 7 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by number 81. No good again. Good ball. Number 28. Dribbling the ball. Oy. Ano pa na isa?
Uy, dapat tinalo.
Sakto.
Ilis mo pinapasok kayo nila. Basta pumasok kayo nila eh.
Sige kuya.
Game ball. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 17. Passing to number, intercept by number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 17. Number 17, all the way, intercept. And now number 14, passing to number 9.
Ralo!
Number 9 in the 3-point area, no good. Rebound number 23, passing to number 6. Passing to number 17. Number 17 all the way. Yes. Left hand shot. 2 points. Uy. Ano, number 26. Number 26. Passing to number 10. Number 10. Uy, foul. Number 26. Uy. DC ball. Ano, number 17. Passing to number area. Rebound again. Number 23. Number 23 in a jump. No good. Rebound number 10. Passing to number 9. Passing, touch. First free throw. No good.
Sumasablay ka na.
Second free throw. Ready jumper.
Hoy, ba't ka na? Sumasablay ka na.
Yes, 1 point.
Panibago ka lang. Sumasablay ka na, Loy ah.
Now number 17. Guarded by number 9. Number 23.
Dirabaki!
Passing to number dinala sa 23. 5 seconds to shoot. Passing to number 81. 81. No good. Parumbados ball.
24 seconds shot clock.
24 seconds shot clock. Number 6. Aras. Number 9. Passing. Loose.
Dapat, depensa!
And now, number 17. Passing to number 23 in a jump. No good. Rebound by 30. Foul. Personal foul. Warning for penalty. No good. No good again.
Mamaya baka magkamali-mali sa video eh.
Parang dito na yung bola. Doon
Passing to number 14. Passing to number 9. Number 10 in a jump. No good. Rebound. Number 17 in a jump. And now, number 17. Intercept no good. Number 26, passing to number 9.
Hello!
Passing to number 56. Passing to number 10. Number 10 in jump. Yes, easy 2. And now, number 23. Passing to number 17. Number 17. Ipinakganda ng pasa. Very good assist.
Kanin mo lang. Ilan na
Ayan,
lang?
81, 2 points. Number 26. Di alam yung number eh. And the 3-point area, number 9. Yes! Wow!
Laking bagay na. Pamatay sunog. Ay, bumaba.
Score, 49, 42.
Favor of 49.
In favor in Barbados. Uy.
Iihi na ako.
And now, number 56. Passing to number 10. Number 10 shot. Block. Uy. Stepping on the line. This ball.
Dahan-dahan lang. Baka di ka na umabot sa venue niyan.
And now, number 17.
Mga amoy pa. Ha?
Passing number 23. Yes. Very good assist. Number 23, 2 points. Number 56. No good. Rebound number 6. Number 6. Passing to number 17 in the 3-point area. No good. Number 6. Oh, intercept by number 81. Number 81. Passing to number 17. No good. Rebound by number no good again. Intercept by passing to number 27. Passing to number 8. Shot. No good. Rebound. Passing to number 5. Number 5. All the way. No good. Number 20. Number 20. Grabe din violation.
Sa input.
Shot. Uy. Rebound by number 20. All the way. Uy. Wow. First free throw.
Ito yung nakalaban namin. Saan bang ano team ba kami?
Yes, 1 point.
Nakalaban namin sila. JSW tayo. Yung kulay pula.
Second free throw. Ready jumper. Yes. 2 points.
Tapos sila,
And number 4.
Sir Pat, sila Kyle.
Passing number 27. Number 28. Passing to number 27. Passing to number 5. Kevin 78. Number 3. And a jump. No good. Rebound by number 27. Shot. No good. Number 5. Yes. 2 point. Number 5. 20. Number 13 in the 3-point area, no good. Rebound by number 5, passing to number 28. Number 28. Number 27, jump. No good. Rebound by number 7 in the 3-point area. Oy, kumuha.
Kasing yabang eh.
Minus na agad eh.
Ano, number 28 in the jump.
Nauna yung
No good. Foul. Number 81, foul. First personal foul, 81. 70 foul. Ano, number 4 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by number 27. Yes. 2 points, number 27. 2 points. Ano, number 20. Passing to number 50. 66 pa rin. Number 3, passing to number 5. Binalik sa 28. Jump. No good. Number 28 again. No good again. Passing to number 20. Number 20 dribbling the ball and all the way. No good. And now, number 27. Passing to number 4. Passing to number 28. Number 27 shot. No good. Rebound by 81. Passing to number 20. Number 20 all the way. Yes, 2 point. Number 20. Now number 4. Number 28. Oy.
Isang, parang tipaklong eh. Parang
Yan na,
tipaklong
number
eh.
21. At 81.
Kakalang naman
Number
eh.
20. Passing to number 66. Number 66. Idinerecho. Yes! Counted. Ano number yun? Usfal.
Eric Canano.
Number 5. No good. Foul.
Ba't yung sinisigaw?
Number 27. 2 points. No good. Number 28. Passing to number 4. In a shot. No good. Number 81. Passing to number 20. Passing to number 13. In the 3-point area. No good.
Sayang, ganun yung fake.
Rebound by number 20.
Naiiwan.
Dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 20. In the 3-point area, no good. Number 4. Number 28, jump. Yes, 2 points. For 7 to 66. Foul.
May warning na kayo!
Technical.
May warning na sila! Kung pala may warning na kayo, kung may warning na kayo dyan.
Kulang sa oras to eh. Kulang sa oras to.
Wala na oras ng commissioner.
Kahit dalawa lang mo siya eh. Ng 5 eh. 5 minutes eh.
Di boss, di ba kasi kailangan natin may rules na wala
O di, support partner pa siya, pwede siya. Hindi mo pwede i-splitin mo yung yan.
Kailangan po si
Kasi third quarter pa lang.
Wala isang block, wala isang block.
Ito sabay.
Wala isang block. Dapat may isang pang-rules ko na eh.
na, diretso.
Anong kulay yun? Sasakyan daw.
Kulay gray daw sa tapat ng Levinson. Darating na daw yung truck.
Sasakyan
Ano,
daw.
number 30,
Kulay gray.
number 17. No good.
Sasakyan. Ang kulay gray sa tapat ng Winston ba yun? Sabi mo kay Barsay.
Passing to number 14. Oh, sasakyan na po. Anong kulay yan?
Kulay gray.
Kulay blue.
Kulay
Tapat
gray.
na yung 300.
Kulay gray.
Ng kulay gray. May lalabas.
Kulay gray, may lalabas daw.
And now number 14. Oh, yumawa. 2 points.
Tama. Hey, national ka na.
Kulay gray, sasakyan.
Kulay gray na sasakyan. Katapat po ng Levinson. Pasuyo na lang. Na number 23. Na jump. No good. Rebound number 10. Passing to number 9. Number 9. Passing to number 14.
Putang ila sayang.
Oy. DC ball.
Bala.
Number 17. Uy. Rebound by number 6. Passing to number 81. Number 81. Jump. Uy, block. Rebound again. Uy, foul.
Paano?
Sasakyan daw na kulay gray.
Sasakyan na kulay gray. Pasuyo po. Sasakyan mo, labas ko na. Ano, number 14. Passing to number 10 seconds sa block. Number 26. And a jump, no good. Rebound number 10. And a shot, no good again. Number 7 shot, no good. Intercept by number 18. Number 17. Passing to number 28. Ay, 22. Number 14. Oh, intercept. Number 10. And a 3-point area. No good. Rebound again. And a shot. No good again. Oy. Oy. Oh, bola. 61-55.
Mga 61.
Parumbados, lamang.
Beautiful.
Ano number 10? Passing to, uy, intercept by number 81. All the way. Yes, easy to lay up. Ano, number 26. Number 26. Passing to number 7 in a jump. Oh, mahon. Rebound by 23. Dribbling the ball. Passing to intercept by number 10. Intercept by number 81. 81 passing to number 17 and a jump. No good. 23 shot. Yes, 2 points. Number 10.
Guy!
In the 3-point area. Oy. Oy, foul. No good.
Penalty na tayo, di ba?
Penalty. Second free throw. Yes, 1 point. And now number 6. Passing to number 81. Number 81, passing to, intercept by number 10. Passing to number 14. Number 14, passing to number 7.
Sayang.
Loose ball pass, 62, 59. 62, 59. Natulig na. Oy, foul.
Nice, Beer.
Osimir, Ramon. And now number, wala na. Yan. Counted. Ay traveling violation. Not counted.
Ay, dumating yung pagdar.
Si Beer pala pinakamala.
Number 26. Passing to number 9. Binalik. Passing to number 9. Number 9 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by number 10. Nira. Yes, 14. 2 points. And now number 81. 17. Passing to number 23. Passing to number 6 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound number 23. Shot. Yes. Boarding. Slap pull. Jam ball. And now number 26, number 6, number 17. Dribbling that ball. Aras by number 9, number 17. Oy. Barombados ball. 21 seconds. 17 seconds. Number 9, jump. No good. Rebound by number 81. Passing to number 6. And a jump. No good again.
Tira!
Rebound by number. Time. Final quarter. And now number 28, number 7. Passing to number 56. Number 28 shot. No good. Rebound by number 28. Number 3. And a shot. No good again. Rebound by number 5. Stepping in. And now number 1. Passing to number 20. All the way. Yes. Easy 2. 64. 83. 63. 63. And now number 20. Nantok na. And now number. Passing to number 5. Uy. Foul. Labang si Barombados. Uy. Intercept by number. And now number 20. Number 20 all the way. No good. And now number 28. Passing to number 56 in the 3-point area. No good again. And now number 5 in the shot. No. Number 66 passing to number 20. Number 20 all the way. Yes, 2 point. 1 point lead. Time out.
1 point.
1 point lead. And now number 28, guarded by number 20. Passing to number 10. Passing to number, binalik si number 10 in a 3-point area. No good. Rebound number 66. Intercept. Intercept by number 3. Passing to number 28. Passing to number 10. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 5. Passing to number 28 in a jump. Yes, 2 points. Chase Favor, 1 point lead, 66, 65. 66, 65. Chase Favor, 1 point lead. And now number 66, number 23, no good. Rebound number, yes, 2 points. 1 point lead. Again. And now number 56 in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound number, yes, follow up by number 5.
Ano si...
And now number 20. All the way. Up. Foul. Number 3 foul. Sam Mr. Rep.
No.
And now number 20. Passing to number 17 in the 3-point area. Yes, 3 point. Number 17. 68-70. Naman na ng dalawa. Ang easy. Number 10. Passing to number 8 in the shot. Yes. Deadlock. 70. And now number 20. Passing to number 7. Number 7 passing to number 20. And a 3-point. Yes! 3-point! Number 3. Passing to number 56 in a 3-point area. No good. Rebound by number 5. Yes!
Hindi na
Point.
si Eric. Lo. Yan.
And now number 7.
Maganda na laban.
Passing to number 66. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 7. Number 7 and number 17 in a 3-point area. Yes! 3-point! Number 17. 72, 76. And oy! Foul. 17 foul. And number 28. Number 28. Number 5 passing to number 28 in the jump. Yes, 2 point.
Pumasok.
Number 28. And now number 20. Number 7. Passing to number 1 and a shot. No good. And now, number 28 in a jump again. 2 point. Number 28.
Number 56.
All 76.
Kuya, excuse.
Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 3. Passing to number 28. Number 28 in a jump. No good. Rebound by number 7.
All.
Passing to number 20. Number 20 all the way. Oy. No. First free throw. Yes, 1 point. Yes, 2-point lead. DC. Ano, number 10. Passing to number 5. Number 5. Foul. First attempt. Yes, 1 point. Second free throw.
Pwede, baikan mo ito siya.
Yes. 2 point. Or 78 ang score. Number 66 passing to number 1. Oy, foul. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Yes, 1 point. No good. Rebound by number 10. Passing to number 5. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 17. No good. At 27. Number 17. All the way. No good. Block. Not foul. Ready for graduation. First free throw.
Nice, Rick!
No good. Kala, pasok eh.
Pulutan naman, pulutan.
Free throw. Last right jumper. No good again. Number 28. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 5. No good. Number 28. Iniwan. Passing to number
Tulis.
Ano, number 3. Passing to na number 10. Number 10. No good. Rebound number 66. Foul.
Yan.
Video daw, boss. Ito, bihina ko. Alam mo talaga.
Yoy!
No good.
Sa leg ang tama.
In a post.
Sa leg ang tama, boss.
No good again. Ano, number 28. And a jump. No good. Number 5.
Ay, puta kinaliwa.
Tapos din. Good ball. And now number 17. All the way. Shot. No good. Number 28. Penalty foul. Number 20. And now number 17. Passing to number 7. And a 3-point area. No good. Rebound number 5. Number 5. Passing to number 10. And a jump.
Tangina yan.
Yes, 2 point.
Stop!
4 minutes and 28 seconds. And the final quarter. And now number 20. Passing to number 7 in a 3-point area. Yes! Pumasok din. Oy! Busy ball. Game ball. And now number 7. Passing to number 66. To number 1. Binalik. Number 17 to number 20. And a 3-point area. No good. Rebound number 1. Pushing pa.
Alalay ka.
Kitang kita. And now number 5. Passing to number 26. Foul! Oras po natin 3 minutes and 28 seconds for the final quarter.
Final destination.
Yes, 1 point.
Isa pa.
No good. Rebound number 7. Passing to number 17. Number 17 all the way. Shot. Yes, 2 point. 81, 84. Hello, number 10. Number 10. Uy. Foul. Number 66. Foul. Second personal foul. 66. Two fouls pa lang.
Huwag mo pag-initan.
Yes, 1 point. Ready Japir. No good.
Baba.
And now, number 1. Guarded by number 5. Foul. Free throw.
Prito.
Yes, 1 point. Yes, 2 point. 2 and 58 seconds. 2 and 50.
Bigay, Jo.
And number 26. to number 28. Number 28. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10. No good. Rebound by number 3 in the 3-point area. No good. Number 20. Receive the ball. Number 7.
Time out kaya? Ilan ba? Dalawa.
Number 7. Passing to number 1. Number 20. All the way. Oy, block. Five seconds to shoot.
5 seconds! Nakuha bola ko!
Intercept. Number 28. And a jump. Yes, 2 point.
Dalawa na lang.
84, 86. Lamang ang dalawa, DC.
Sabi ko kay Tata.
Now number 20, passing to number 18. Passing to number 7. Number 7, na shot. Yes, 14. 2 points. Oy, foul. First free throw. Yes, 1 point. 85, 88.
Pag nakashoot sila, time out.
Sa kanila.
Pero di na makakashoot.
Second free throw, no good. Rebound by number 7, yes. Foul, number. First free throw. Yes, awa. 1 point. Ready jumper. Yes, 2 points.
Limang na.
Score. 87, 88, isa lang. And now. Number 20. Pass it to number 17. Number 17. All the way. Oy. Foul. Dalawa pa, sir. No good.
Buti si Mahan, di pumasok, oh.
Boss, advance yung
Pag na-shoot, time out.
Okay.
No good again. And now. Intercept by number 7. Intercept number 10. Number 28. Number 28.
Kita!
And a jump. No good. Yes. And now number 17. Dribbling the ball. Passing to number 16. Loose ball pass. Loose ball pass. Last 1 minute. And now, number 5. Dribbling the ball. 10 seconds at clock. Number 28. Number 28 passing to number 26. And a shot. No good. Rebound by number 10. And passing to number 7. Yes. 2 point. Time out. Time out. Oh, intercept. Number 7. Passing to number 20. Number 20. Jump. No good.
Tira na point.
Last 23 seconds. Ready jumper. Last free throw.
Box out!
No good. Rebound number 7. Passing to number 28. May isa pa.
Basket tama.
Basket.
Ano na? Ano pa po?
Time out daw po. Rep, time out ang DC. Pag
Kanino to?
makashoot. Yes, time out, DC. Ano, number 21. Number 20. Dribbling the ball. Foul.
Dapat dito ko lang.
Nangki, pasok, isasab ng DC. Free throw.
Hindi ko.
Rep.
Mababago.
Dalawa sa lobby.
Dalawa lang.
2 points lang, dalawa lang. Stepping down po sa 3. First free throw. Yes, 1 point. Last 10 seconds. In the remaining time.
Boss, time out ba kayo pag na-shoot? Time out?
Hindi. Alam ko sila eh.
Yes, 2 points. 91-90. 10 seconds.
Kaya nyo muna, kaya mo muna.
Valero, Barumbados, isa pa, ang timeout. No good. Oras po natin, 7 seconds. And the remaining time. 91-90 ang score. Ready jumper. Oy, no good. Number 20. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. No good.